Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 8th lesson of D2, chapter number 6, exercise 6C, that is about the changing the subject of formula. In this lesson, I will solve question number 14, intermediate level. Let's move to the solution of question. In this question, we'll be solving the different equations. The first part of the question is 2 minus 5 upon x plus 2 equal to 1 whole 3 by 5. So what we have to do, we can take the LCM on the left hand side. So the LCM of this side will be x plus 2. So the equation will take the form x plus 2. Now the denominator of first fraction is 1. It has the deficiency of x plus 2. So the numerator will be multiplied by x plus 2. So it will take the form 2 into x plus 2 minus 5 equal to 1 whole 3 by 5 is the mixed number. I can turn it in form of the fraction. 5 ones are 5 and 3, 8 by 5. Now apply distributive property on 2 into x plus 2. That 2 has to be multiplied with every term inside the bracket, and equation will take the form 2x plus 4 minus 5 upon x plus 2 equal to 8 by 5. Now what we can do is we can simplify these two constant terms, and equation will take the form 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 equal to 8 by 5. In order to solve this equation further, we have to cross multiply this fraction. So 5 will be multiplied by 2x minus 1 and 8 by x plus 2, and equation will take the form 5 into 2x minus 1 equal to 8 into x plus 2. Again apply distributive property, that multiply 5 with every term inside the bracket, and same for 8. Equation will take the form 10x minus 5 equal to 8x plus 8 2s are 16. Now what we have to do is we have to shift like terms and variable terms on the same side. 8x will be shifted to other side. 10x minus 8x, 10x minus 8x equal to 16, and shift minus 5 to other side plus 5. So this will give me 10 minus 8 is 2. X equals to 16 plus 4, 20 and 21. And now in order to solve this equation, in order to get the solution, I have to shift 2 to other side. 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 can be written as 10 whole 1 by 2. So the solution of this equation is x equals to 10 whole 1 by 2. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to B part of the question. That is 7x minus 4 upon 15 plus x minus 1 upon 3 equals to 3x minus 1 upon 5 minus 7 plus x upon 10. If we look at both sides of the equation, we can see that both sides are containing two fractions with some or different sign. So it's better to simplify the both sides of equation on their respective places by taking the LCM. If we look at left hand side, the denominators are 3 and 5, and LCM of 3 and 15, and LCM will be 3 1s are and 3 5s are. LCM will be 15 for the left hand side. So what I will be doing, I'll be drawing the fraction line and LCM 15. Now check the denominator of each fraction one by one. The first denominator is 15 and LCM is also 15. So numerator will be coming as it is, 7x minus 4. Coming to the second fraction, the denominator is 3 but the LCM is 15. So 3 how many times is 15? 5 times. So 5 will be multiplied with the numerator, 5 into x minus 1 equal to, moving to the right hand side, the denominators are 5 and 10. LCM will be 10. Now go back to each fraction one by one and see. The first denominator is 5 but LCM is 10. So it has the deficiency of 2. So that 2 will be multiplied with the numerator 3x minus 1 minus, then the denominator is 10 and LCM is also 10. So the numerator of second fraction will be coming as it is 7 plus x. 7 plus x. Now what we have to do, we have to apply distributive property, that we have to multiply this y with every term inside the bracket, and same for this 2. Now equation will take the form 7x minus 4 plus 5x minus 5 upon 15 equal to 3 times is 6x minus 2 minus 7 minus x upon 10. First of all, we can see that both sides are containing like terms 7x and 5x. Solve them together. 7 plus 5 is 12x minus 9 upon 15 equal to 6x minus x will give me 5x minus 9 upon 10. Now we have to cross multiply these. So what we have to do is 10 into 12x minus 9 equal to 15 into 5x minus 9. 10 times 12 is 120x minus 90, 120x minus 90. 15 5s is 75x and 15 9s is 135. 15 multiplied by 9 is 135 minus 135. Now in order to, this is 120x, 120x. In order to solve the equation, we have to bring the variable terms on same side, preferably on the left side, and constant towards the right side, and the equation will take the form 120x minus 75x equal to minus 135 plus 90. Now take away 75 from 120. 120 minus 75 can give me 45x, and now take away 90 from 135. 135 minus 90, again minus 45. Now what I have to do, I have to get value of x. In order to get value of x, I have to shift this 45 to other side, and it will become the denominator of 45. X equal to minus 45 upon 45. This is 45 ones and 45 ones. X equals to minus 1. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is x plus 1 upon 5x minus 1 plus 1 over 2 into 1 minus 5x equals to 1 by 4. If we look at the denominators of both the fractions, we can see that somehow both the denominators are same, but first denominator has 5x positive, but the second has 5x negative. So what we have to do, we have to make these two terms same. What I will be doing, I will be extracting minus sign out, and we have done a lot about this in the previous lessons. Equation will take the form x plus 1 upon 5x minus 1. Now I'm multiplying and dividing the second fraction by minus sign. One of the minus sign will be changing this middle sign, and other minus sign will be affecting on this factor, and it will take the form 5x minus 1 equal to 1 by 4. Now if we look at the denominators carefully, we can see that 5x minus 1 is the common factor. Now we have to take the LCM, and LCM of the question will be 2 into 5x minus 1. Now go back to each fraction one by one and see that what is the deficiency of that fraction. The denominator here is 5x minus 1, but the LCM is 2 into 5x minus 1. So the numerator will be multiplied by 2, and equation will take the form 2 into x plus 1 Coming to the second fraction, the denominator and LCM is same, so it will not be multiplied by any number, and the numerator will be coming as it is, which is equal to 1 by 4. Now apply distributive property carefully, that 2 will be multiplied with every term inside the bracket, and equation will take the form 2x plus 2 minus 1 upon 2 into 5x minus 1 equal to 1 by 4. 2x plus 2 minus 1, this will give me 2x plus 1 upon 2 into 5x minus 1 equal to 1 by 4. Now in order to solve the equation, I have to go for the cross multiplication. So equation will take the form 4 into 2x, 4 into 2x plus 1 equal to 2 into 5x minus 1. Now multiply 4 with every term inside the bracket, and it will take the form 8x plus 4 equal to 10x minus 2. Bring 10 to other side and 4 towards right hand side. Equation will take the form 8x minus 10x equals to minus 4 minus 2, and this will give me minus 2x equal to minus 6. Both sides are having minus sign, so we can cancel this minus sign out, and in order to solve and get value of x, I have to shift this 2 to other side, and equation will take the form x equals to 6 by 2 or x equals to 3. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next part of the question. Next part of the question is 5 upon 2x minus 1 minus 4 upon 4x minus 2 minus 3 upon 6x minus 3 equal to 1. If we look carefully at the second denominator and third denominator, we can extract. From the second denominator, we can extract 2 out, and from the third denominator, we can pull out 3. So equation will take the form 5 upon 2x minus 1 minus 4 upon 2 into 2x minus 1 minus 3 into take 3 common, and it will become 2x minus 1 equals to 1. Now we can see that we can simplify this 2 with this 4 and this 3 with this 3, and equation will take the form 5 upon 2x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2x minus 1 minus 1 upon 2x minus 1 equal to 1. Now all the denominators are same and they are 2x minus 1. So LCM of this question will be 2x minus 1. Now all the denominators and LCM is same, so the numerators will be coming as it is. 5 minus 2 minus 1 equal to 1, or 5 minus 3 upon 2x minus 1 equal to 1, or 2 upon 2x minus 1 equal to 1. Now for the further part, I will be moving towards this side. Now 2 equals to 2x minus 1. Shift this 1 to other side, and it will become 2 plus 1 equal to 2x, or 3 equal to 2x. In order to get value of x, shift 2 to other side, and equation will take the form 3 by 2 equal to x, or x equal to 3 by 2, or 1 whole 1 by 2. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.